let's look at how we are going to solve a question like b raised to the power the log of 3 to the base b. Everybody knows the answer to this question, but let's see how the answer is what it is. To solve this question, we will start by saying let the exponent, whatever is at the exponent position, which is like log of 3 to the base of b, let this be equal to something like a variable. We can choose a variable like y. So if that is y, don't forget we can write this whole thing as b raised to the power of y, because y is log 3 to the base b. So we get something like this. Now let's focus on this here, which is the log of 3 to the base of b, which is equal to y. From the definition of log, we said anytime you have an equation like this one here, this b here we saw is the base, and this y here, if we are to write it in exponent form, the y becomes the exponent of the base, if you remember that. So we are going to get something like 3 is equal to b, which is the base, raised to the power the exponent. So 3 is going to be the same as b raised to the power the exponent, which means that b raised to the power of y is also the same as 3. We are just rearranging. Now let's come back to here. What do we see? We see that b raised to the power of log 3 to the base of b, we said was equal to, let me write it equal to, we said this whole expression was equal to b raised to the power of y, and we just found b raised to the power of y down here to be equal to 3. So we can say that b raised to the power of log 3 to the base of b is equal to 3. As simple as that, right? So we can also make a general statement. I'm going to write it down here, a general statement, and the statement is going to be something like anytime you have something as a raised to the power of log, let's say log c, given the same base, then we can say the answer is always going to be c. So a raised to the power of log a, log c to the base a, a raised to the power of log c to the base a is always equal to c. We will end today's lesson here. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.